Hey everyone, and welcome to Angular Basics. In this video, we'll be exploring the fundamentals of the Angular framework and how to build a simple Angular application. So, what is Angular? Angular is a JavaScript-based framework that's used to build complex dynamic web applications. It provides a lot of tools and features that make it easier to build these applications, such as two-way data binding, dependency injection, and a powerful template engine. The first thing you need to know about Angular is that it uses a component-based architecture. A component is basically a reusable building block that contains both the user interface and the logic for that UI. Components are hierarchical, meaning that they can contain other components, which makes it easy to build complex UIs. To get started with Angular, you'll need to have Node.js and the Angular CLI installed on your system. Once you have those set up, you can create a new Angular project by running the command ng new myapp. This will create a new project with a basic file structure and a few starter files. Now that we have our project set up, let's take a look at some of the key concepts in Angular. One of the most important concepts is data binding, which allows us to keep our UI in sync with our data. Angular supports two-way data binding, which means that changes to our data will automatically update the UI, and changes to the UI will update the data. Another important concept is dependency injection. This allows us to easily manage dependencies between our components and services. For example, if we have a component that needs to make an HTTP request, we can inject an HTTP service into that component and use it to make the request. Finally, let's take a quick look at the Angular template engine. This is a powerful tool that allows us to write our UI using HTML-like syntax, and then use Angular directives to add dynamic behavior to our UI. Directives are essentially custom HTML elements that we can use to add functionality to our UI, such as looping over arrays or conditionally displaying elements. So that's a quick overview of some of the key concepts in Angular. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into these concepts and start building our first Angular application. Thanks for watching.